Hey guys, this is Cray with Oversight Shooting Technologies. Today we're going to do some tests with the SeeAll Nite having to do with temperature. So as you can see, I've got a bore sighter in this gun right now. And I've got the laser perfectly lined up with the crosshair. For one, I can show you there's no parallax real quick. You can see that it stays on the dot no matter where you float it around. But anyway, what we're planning to do is I have a pot of water boiling right below us. So I'm going to take this sight off, throw it in that pot of boiling water, and then we'll put it back on the gun afterwards and see if it's still on that dot and see if it's going to maintain accuracy even in extreme heat. So let's try it out real quick. So this test is not only testing getting the sight to extreme temperatures such as 212 degrees where water boils, so it's getting at least that hot, but also whether water is going to screw anything up. I just want to make sure that you can see that all the plastic and everything's fine in this. So you can see it's smoking, so it's hot. Optics fine. Obviously my pliers are in the way, but you can see the reticle in there. Still good to go. Alright, let's put it back on the gun. Alright, well as you can see, still right at the point. Some of the water from boiling it's got on the optics, so the optics not near as nice as it was as far as clarity right now. But our laser is still in the exact same spot. Well, thanks for watching, and we will try some more tests in the future.